welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a get ready with me / vlog. I'll be honest, I'm really bored right now, and a lot of us, I mean, due to what's going on right now, a lot of people are home and feeling kind of bored or kind of, I don't know, anxious to get out of the house. So today is our wedding anniversary, and if you guys watched my last video, I talked about how I had mentioned that my husband and I canceled our trip to Europe. He's actually here behind me. He's working from home, and yeah, I just decided to do this pretty randomly, very impromptu video. But yeah, so we canceled our trip, and that was supposed to, it was meant for us to go on a trip to celebrate our wedding anniversary because we can't travel at the moment. But the state of California governor imposed a stay-at-home order. A lot of places are closed. I believe the beaches are also closed. So we can't even go to the beach if we wanted to. So we're really limited as to what we can do. We might get takeout. I was really iffy about it. I didn't feel safe. I just didn't feel comfortable with the idea of somebody else handling my food. But I'm seeing that a lot of companies are stepping up their hygiene and sanitization process. So yeah, we decided to get takeout and come back home, maybe just chill, have dinner at home, and I don't know, maybe watch a movie, who knows. But I haven't worn anything on my face, like in terms of makeup, so I'm kind of going crazy and I'm really bored. Right now I'm wearing these Hello Kitty steam patches. They're meant to depuff your eyes. So while I have these on, I'm gonna just do my hair. I'm gonna curl it a little bit. It's pretty flat right now. I don't know what's going on with my bang. They're not cooperating today. I'm just gonna start taking pieces and literally getting ready just to step out of the house momentarily. It's not even like going to, I'm not even gonna get off the car. I believe this place we're going to, they take it to your car. I suck at curling my hair. No matter how many times my hairstylist tells me how to do it, I just cannot get it to look like hers. I just pass it through and twist it, and very briefly do I leave it on the ends, and as soon as I pass the curling iron, I pull on it so they're not too kinky, because I don't want it to look super kinky and curly. And also, I'm sorry if you guys can hear my dog. He's whining in the background. He's very attached to my husband. A part of me is kind of happy about getting takeout because I don't have to cook. I've been washing like a lot of dishes, and just it feels like I've been cleaning more than cooking. Once I'm done curling my hair and it cools down a little bit, I like to just get the curls and split them. This is what she told me to do. So I'm just splitting it. This is the Verb Ghost hairspray. I like this one. I just don't like the scent. It's pretty strong, but I like it because it doesn't leave too much of a hold. It's not like super stiff, and it also has moringa oil, and that's pretty good for your hair. That's it for my hair. I'm not really gonna take too much time on that. I'm gonna take these off. Yeah, you just put them back in the little plastic sheet that it comes in, and you can reuse these as many times as you want. Since I'm only putting makeup on out of boredom, I'm just going to put on BB cream because we are stepping outside, and the sun has been out a lot longer, so the sun's still out by the time 6 p.m. rolls around. I'm gonna put it right here on a puffer pad. This is the Misha BB cream that I mentioned in my packing video. I also like the cushion compact. What do you call it? BB cushion? Yeah, that one is really good too, from the same brand, Misha. I really like it. It's the same color. It just comes in a compact, so it's more travel friendly. Normally I do take that when I travel, but I didn't buy one this time. Because it's just BB cream. I'm not trying to look flawless here. I just want a little bit of coverage and some sunscreen. It's been so weird going outside. The street outside looks very crowded with parked cars. But it's funny because when you go to like these shopping centers, it's not completely empty, which kind of scares me a little bit. I figured it would look like completely dead after the governor announced the order last night. But yeah, so it's right now it's only grocery stores, banks, restaurants doing takeout or delivery that are open for business right now. A bit of setting powder. I'm gonna set this really quick. I do like the dewy, oily look that the BB cream gives me, but I just feel like setting it today. I'm sorry if I'm not very talkative. This is the first time I filmed something like this, where I have to multitask and hold a pretty interesting conversation. Well, I'm trying to be interesting, but it's kind of hard when I'm trying to get ready. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the blush. I'm gonna use NARS. This is the color Liberté. I hope I'm saying that right. Most of the stuff I'm using today was the stuff I was gonna take on my trip. I don't buy a lot of makeup, guys. I only have 2 blushes and 1 foundation and 1 BB cream. I don't like to over purchase because it expires, and I just don't see the point in buying that much makeup unless you're a makeup artist or it's your hobby. But I like to put it right here. I know a lot of people don't. It's not the Western way of doing it. A lot of American Western beauty trends, it's mostly here, but I like it a little higher, right below my eyes, because I feel like that looks more youthful. And yes, it is very Korean, I know, but I just like it. I think it looks really cute. To do a highlighter after blush, because I feel like I can blend it with my blush, and I'm gonna use the Mary Lou Luminizer. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a fluffy brush and go in with this highlighter. I don't have the fan one because I feel like that one, it's too thin. So I like to connect my brow bone to the high peak of my cheek. Is that even a thing? I don't know, what do you call that? Like, it's not the apples of your cheek. Prefer doing my eyebrows after I put makeup, like the base and eyeshadow and all of that. It's just my preferred way of doing it. Doesn't mean it's the wrong or right way. I feel like that's so, it really doesn't matter. It's just preference. Put a little bit on my chin. I don't like to put too much on my forehead, so I'm just gonna lightly. So because we are in quarantine at the moment, I am not accepting any nail appointments. I'm not working at the moment, unfortunately, and a lot of us in the beauty industry are not working because it is not essential to keep our business open. So because of that, I cannot get my eyelashes done, and that's probably the worst part about it for me. Well, for me anyway. I know it sounds like such a first world problem, but that's the one thing I'm really gonna miss, is getting my lashes done. I feel like with lashes, I don't have to worry about wearing makeup, which is, I think, the reason why I don't buy a lot of makeup. I just feel like I wake up looking so good with my lashes, and I like them long. I like them super curled. I just love them. Okay, so onto my eyebrows. I'm going to use ColourPop Brow Boss in brunette. Like, even when I had bleached blonde hair, I still did the brown. I like wearing brown eyebrow product. I don't think I can talk while doing this, guys, so I'm sorry. Am I that mediocre at makeup where I just can't even multitask? I'm focusing too much, and honestly I shouldn't be focusing that much because I'm not going anywhere. I don't put a lot of effort into getting my eyebrows looking super perfect. I just get them waxed and I fill them in with the brow pencil, and that's it. I'm good to go. I don't like to do like a whole like graph on my, I don't know, I don't like to emphasize too much on my brows. It's fine. I feel like my brows are okay. They don't need to be overdone. I'm gonna use eyeshadows today, and this is ColourPop Blush Crush. I've only swatched this palette. I have not worn it yet, and let's see how that goes, because I am not good at choosing colors, or I don't know, I'm not good with eyeshadow, guys, so bear with me. Just grab a little bit and tap When you have lash extensions, it's so hard to apply eyeshadow, and I think that's one of the biggest reasons why I don't wear it. Actually, no, who am I kidding? The biggest reason is because I'm just not good at it. It doesn't come easy to me. So next I'm gonna go with Cheek to Cheek. It's this one right here, and I'm just gonna put this on my lower lid. So next I'm gonna go in with, I don't know which one. I really like this pink one here. This is hard. I'm gonna make it super complicated. I'll probably just do like 3 colors and that's it, because I don't know what I'm doing here, guys. But I'm gonna put this glittery one. It's called Blossoms Up. It's like a peachy color. It's like a peachy pink with gold glittery dust. God, my descriptions are terrible. Wait, why am I using this brush? What is wrong with me? This is a small tapered blending brush, which is not what I need right now. I'm just gonna apply to like half of my lid, and maybe a little bit towards the center, so it's mostly like my inner part of the lid. So I'm just gonna get a sparkly eyeshadow. This one is Pop a Bottle. I'm gonna do this one, just the center of my lid, like right here. I'm not gonna wet the brush. I don't go that extra mile. That's not who I am. I know some people like to spray it so it can adhere to the brush, but I just want a little bit. I'm not trying to make a big statement here. And I'm also going to apply a little bit in my inner corner. That's so cute. It has pink glitter pieces. Now I don't think I'm gonna put on mascara because I don't think I need it. My extensions still look pretty good. One of them just fell off. Guys, this is going to suck. So they are shedding. I honestly think it's because of the weather change and the humidity in the air. Lashes go through like these weird growth cycles, so I don't know, it could be the weather. I mean, it's been over 3 weeks since I've had a fill, and I won't be getting one for a long time. I can't wait for this quarantine to be over so we can all get back to work, because I'm gonna miss work. So now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna use 2 colors. The first one is from Bite Beauty, and it's the Amuse Bouche lipstick in the color Pepper. This is an absolute favorite of mine because it is such a pretty pink mauve-y color. I'm just gonna put this as my base color, and then I'm gonna do my inner lip with 3CE Velvet Lip Tint. This is the color Know Better. I really like Korean style makeup, and especially the way they do their lipstick. I think it looks amazing, and for years now I've been practicing how to get that look down, and it takes time. It's not for somebody who's in a rush in the morning. So yeah, I like to apply the bottom lip first and then press my lips, and then I like to do the top. Let me tell you why. Because when I do this after, I feel like it looks more diffused. I don't want the lighting of my upper lip to be very accentuated. I kind of want it to look blurred. I kind of want your lips to look very blurred with a pop of color right in the center of your lip. But once I do that, I'm gonna go in with a tissue, or sometimes I use a cotton pad, and I just blot my lips. I go in with the darker color. This is like a plum color. I'm only applying to the center and the inner part of my lip. And notice how I'm focusing more on like the inner part. You want to look like you've just spit out blood, basically. And if you need to blot again, go ahead, just to kind of blend the colors together. Okay, so I think we're gonna head out right now, right babe? Hardly any traffic. So we decided to get takeout from Sugarfish, and we're doing to go.
Use the right lane to continue onto West.
And because there's not a lot of traffic right now in LA, we don't mind picking up the order. We've never done anything like this. I would never consider doing something like this on a regular day, But seeing as how there's hardly any traffic, we decided to
Turn
take
left.
advantage of that. Metro is still running. Alright, so we picked up our order. She actually took it out for us. We just parked in front of the restaurant, which is good because I did not want to get off. This really cool box. Look at that. Ooh, I need lots of sushi. I like how they packed everything. Look at that. Alright guys, that's it for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun just stepping out for a little bit and grabbing dinner. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!